This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Regina Carroll. Pristine, updated condo nestled in a waterfront nature preserve community on the shore of the North Fork of the street. Lucie River. Kitchen, flooring, AC top the list of updates. Enjoy a water view from your all-season lanai. Resort-style amenities include a huge heated pool, tennis courts, shuffleboard, bocce ball and horseshoes. Meet manatees at the riverfront park, or see what anglers are catching. Boaters enjoy ocean access from the boat launch, with day docks and free boat/RV storage, too. Get to know folks at one of the many clubs and activities, or just walking and biking the manicured grounds. Explore charming downtown Stuart's plentiful shopping, restaurants and entertainment options. All this, and just a few miles to the beach. South River is a not-to-be-missed gem. For more information, review the details below.